Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's see how to solve this question. It's given if three numbers are added in pairs means or that is 2. The sum equal that will be 10, 19 and 21 and we have to find the numbers. So what will you do here? Let us consider. You can let the numbers be x, y and z. So now what we can do here, they have said they are added in pairs. Pairs means we can make it to x plus y, and it is given here that is the sums means when we add them, the two numbers, they are going to be 10, then the other is going to be 19 and 21. So now let us consider this as x plus y is equal to 10. Then the next one will be y plus z will be 19 and x plus z, that is 21. So this thing, three numbers are very important. These three pairs are very important. So now what will you do? This we can consider this as 1, this as equation number 2, and this as equation number 3. So we will add all the equations. So adding 1, 2 and 3. So what do we get here? So we can, when we add this x plus y plus z plus x plus z, that is 10 plus 19 plus 21. So here what we can see here, we can see this x and x, we can bring it together, y and y we can bring it together, and z we can bring it together. So that is going to be 2x plus 2y plus 2z. That is, when we add this one, 20, 30, 40, and that is going to be 50. So now if we take 2 common from here, so now what are you going to get here? X plus y plus z. 2 is common from all this because these are the three terms. From this one we take 2 common. So what we get in the bracket means this will be 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So what do we get here? This will be 50. So here we will write here x plus y plus z, that is 50, and this is actually multiplication, so it is going to get divided. So x plus y plus z, that is 25. So now we got x plus y plus z, but we want the numbers means they have asked for the numbers. That means they have asked for the value of x, y and z. So now what will we do here? We know we have these three pairs given. So after that we know x plus y, z. So now let us take, we will consider this one. From this one we will take what will be x. X will be, or we can do one thing, x plus, now you know the value of y plus z. We'll take this equation, and what is given here, y plus z, that is 19. So what will you write here? We'll write here plus 19 is equal to 25. So x is going to be what? 25 minus 19. So x is going to be 6. So we got the value of x. So now let us see for y. So what is y? So you know x plus z, that is 21. So we will consider again this one, x plus z, and this y we know y. So we'll write here y plus x plus z is 25. So we want y plus x plus z is, what is that given? It is given as 21 is 25. So what will be that? Y is going to be 25 minus 21. So y is going to be 4. So now we got x, we got y, and now let us see for z. So z, how can we find out z from the same equation here? So you should know, you write this the value of x plus y. X plus y is here 10. So we can write here 10 plus, that will be, or we can do one thing, instead of writing z directly, we can just write here 10 plus z is equal to 25. So z is going to be 25 minus 10. So z is going to be 15. So now you got the value of x, y, z. The what is x? So therefore required numbers are what is x? X is 6. y is 4, and this we can write here, z is 15. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.